Changing your primary email on Session 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Session 2026 website and logging into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Assess account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this to proceed to the Email Management section. Step 4. Update your email address. Here, you will see your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on Session 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.